Agad na rumisponde ang Lowak Municipal Police Station sa isang insidente ng hostage-taking na kinasangkutan ng isang 3 taong gulang na bata sa Barangay Poblasyon, Lawak, Pangasinan. Nakibalita dyan si Staff Sergeant John Del Supremo.
Makikita sa video ang pag-iyak ng isang bata habang mahigpit siyang hawak ng isang matandang lalaki. Kagad naman na nirespondihan ng Lawak PNP ang insidenteng ito sa Barangay Poblasyon, Lawak, Pangasinan. Ayon kay Police Major Napoleon M. Election, hepe ng Lawak PNP.
Recently at around 8 o'clock in the morning, meron tayong crisis incident management through hostage-taking incident involving 3 years old. Immediately, crisis management team composed of local chief executive medical team and law enforcement PNP Lawak was activated. During the negotiation, since the negotiator, member of PNP Lawak, is skilled and have a common sense, he was given a chance to neutralize and arrest the suspect who are now under our custody. During the course of profiling, interrogation, and through his sinumpaang salaysay, suspect suffered from mental illness.
Dagdag pa ni Police Major Election,
Kaya niya hinostage yung minor age, 3 years old na victim ay dahil sa matinding problema na kanyang pinagdadaanan. Nang sa gayon, saktan yung bata at accordingly sa kanyang sinumpang salaysay, pagbabarilin siya ng pulis para matapos na ang kanyang buhay. Ngunit, we will not tolerate that actions. Being commander on the ground, we lawfully abided by the standard operating procedure in the observance of minimum, medium, maximum tolerance.
wala namang nasaktan sa bata at ligtas itong naibalik sa kanyang ina. Kasalukuyang nasa kustodiya na ng Lawak Police Station ang suspect para sa dokumentasyon at disposisyon. Mula dito sa Ilocos Region, ako ang inyong PNN correspondent, Police Staff Sergeant John Del Supremo, alagad ng batas, tagataguyod ng balitang pulis.
Maraming salamat, Staff Sergeant Supremo.